Okay, I don't know what's going on with these birdies, but they've gone totally nuts. Totally berserk. I don't know if this is supposed to happen at this time of the day, which to be exact is 6:40 p.m. or something scared them or something agitated them, whatever, but the chirping is just out of control. If I am not mistaken, these are starlings, I think. Now, okay, it's a quite a cute name, and these are cute birds, and their chirping is cute, but it's kind of disturbing to be so intense. Yeah, and there you go, that's how it ends. I don't know, maybe that was a pre-lift off noise, sort of like airplane or whatever. Oh, they're back. Yeah.